Today, we will learn how to combine data using append and merge queries. As before, the Dataset school inventory from the Google Sheet is available in the description. As we did in the previous video, we will download the dataset as a CSV file. Note that the tab 2025 contains the same columns as School Inventory 2024, but the values in each month are different. Open your Power BI and load the CSV 2023 dataset. Review the previous video if you need help on how to load data. As I continue the data transformation from the previous video, you can see that the School Inventory 2024 dataset has already been loaded. I am now renaming the queries. Appending queries in Power BI combines rows from two or more tables with the same structure into one table. This is useful when you have similar data in different tables. The data will contain the same columns headers in both datasets. Select one of the queries you want to append. Go to the Home tab in the PowerQuery editor. Click on Append Queries and choose either Append Queries that appends the data to the existing query or Append Queries as new. This creates a new query with the appended data. Select the table that you want to append. You may get a pop-up screen about privacy data. Note that since in the previous video, we will fix this by merging the columns. Go to the Transform tab. Click on the first column, press CTRL, then press on the second column. At the main menu, click on Merge Columns. The misaligned columns disappear, and we can now rename the new merged column. Once you finish with this transformation, you are ready to rename. Once you merge the files, you can uncheck the Enable Load and include it in the report refresh. When Enable Load is unchecked, the query is not loaded into the Power BI data model. This means the data from the query won't be available for creating visuals or reports. However, you can still use this query for intermediate transformations or as a reference in other queries. Whereas, when include in report refresh is unchecked, the query's data will not be refreshed during the report's data refresh operation. This can be useful for static datasets or when you don't need to update certain data frequently. To finish, click on Apply and Close to finalize your transformation. Now we will learn how to merge or join tables. This is useful for enriching a dataset with additional information from another table. Please review the video on data analysis keys and joins if you are not familiar with the different join types and their expected results. The left join, right join, inner join, and full join will be available when you merge the datasets. I am now loading the CSV that contains the manager's information. To merge the two queries, you will need a common key available in both datasets, in this case, the department. If you need, click on Use First Row as go to the Home tab. Click on the first query. At the main menu, select Merge Query as New. A pop-up merge screen will appear. Select the common column from the first dataset. Then select the second dataset from the drop-down and finally, select the common column department. Now you can select the join type, in our case, I am. The joined result should be expanded so you can see the new columns. Since we already have departments, it does not make sense to make it available twice. As Power BI best practices, you should not add the table name prefix to the column name. Appending and merging simplify data management by reducing the number of tables you need to work with. Instead of juggling multiple datasets, you can combine them into single, comprehensive tables that are easier to manage and analyze. We have more data transformations. See you in the next videos.